everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm literally sitting like in my kitchen bedroom type thing, so that's why there's this lovely background behind me. Alright, so today I'm going to focus on eyes. All eyes. We are not going to do full face today. This is just going to be my one focus video, so I'm going to zoom in pretty soon. Don't judge me because your girl has needed an eyebrow wax for like 40 days and 30 nights, but seriously, I'm not even going to be worrying about those today. I may do them off camera, who knows, we'll see. But today I am going to be using the highly coveted Jeffree Starr Cosmetics Thirsty Palette. Yes. So I'm actually going to go for a more of a neutral look today. And with some glitter, of course, because it wouldn't be me if it wasn't glittery. We're going to be using a few of the colors inside the palette. I have already started heavily using this gem, but here you go. I'm going to try to zoom in this bit. Yes! Look at this color. You can see everything I've used. And I literally don't, where is it? Don't know what happened here. The color just came down on the words, so don't judge me. But I am going to be using, actually, some of these colors. Let me just tell you about this entire center row. This is my eye. It's phenomenal. I don't know. Alright, I actually need you guys to be zoomed in for the day, so maybe for my close-up. Anyway. Okay, so usually I will start with either a concealer on the eye, or I'll start with an eyeshadow primer, an eyelid primer. But here lately I've just been lazy and using concealer, and it works just as well. And I'm going to try to make this like as user-friendly as possible today. So this isn't going to be one of my more in-depth videos. It's just, or it is going to be in-depth, but it's not going to be skillfully difficult because I'm trying to make it a little easier so maybe that you guys can recreate some of these looks. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay All-Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. Overall, I have to say my face doesn't like this concealer, at least not with certain foundations, but my eyelids sure do. So it's got that cute little, I think they call it a doe tip. There you go. And this is in the color Light Warm. Nothing wants to like focus for me today. Come on. There you go. Light Warm. Alright. Just pop some of that here. Give it another dip. You have to go pretty quick with this one, I would say, because it does dry very quickly. So I'm going to use one of my ugly but trusty beauty blenders to just bounce that on. One of my favorite tricks to use when I do makeup, and also the lazy way or the easy way for some people who don't know how to add a point, I use tape. Now this is some Scotch tape. It's Expression, so I'm almost out of it. I had originally bought it for something else, but I use it for this often, as I've said in other videos. So you just kind of place that in the corner of your eye, however you want. You know, your angle to be. Now it's not super sticky, which is a good thing because it's like craft tape, if that makes sense. So it's not really supposed to be very sticky, but it gets the job done. Now you just want to check them and make sure that they're pretty even. Mine look pretty even to me. This one might even be up a little bit closer, so I'm going to adjust this just one more time. Alright, and I only meant like this corner looked closer than this one over here, but they're good now. So you might look a little bit crazy, but it is with good reason. Alright. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M504 brush. Yes. So the first color I'm going to go in with is called Parched. Yes, because that's just my favorite base color. transition shade, whatever you want to call it. And give it a tap. It's very close to my actual concealer color now, so if you don't see much of a change, that would be why. But you can already see, you know, like it basically mattifies it. And I typically start with tapping, and then I'll move it around. Move it around. Sorry, SpongeBob reference. You obviously want a pat where you want to see, you know, more product come in, because as soon as you start to blend, the whole point of blending is to make it seem like it's less apparent. So, you know, I do a little bit of both, obviously, because I don't want it to be this super bold color, but I still want to get it everywhere. Not that it's a crazy bold color anyway, but you get what I'm saying. Because I'm sorry, I don't know why my camera keeps going blurry, driving me nuts. Anyway. Alright, and don't feel free to, you know, hit the tape. That's okay, that's the whole point of this. The tape is supposed to be like your barrier to stop it from going any further. Alright. Now I'm actually going to go in with another Morphe brush, and I don't know what the name of this one is. It's just one of these gold ones. It's very thick, but it came with this bag, and it came with a whole bunch of other ones like it in that same color. Like I have this one too, but it's this kind of brush. I never remember. I gotta look it up in my next video. Either way, we're gonna use that. So now I'm gonna take the color Drizzle. This nice brown. Tell you what, I really hate messing up like the Starr. It makes me sad, but it's okay. Alright, so as you can see, I'm stippling it in, patting it. And I don't usually use this shape. I typically just use one's like the black one, but just for the sake of the video and a couple looks that I like to use while I'm using it. So as you can see, I'm creating that angle, so it's going to come out and it's going to be like this. There we go. You really want it to be rounded. I'd rather it be straighter, but as you can see, I'm hitting the tape. It's brown on it. That's the point. So that gives you, and I'm doing that more to show you what it's for, because you'd look at me and be like, well, why do you need tape on your face? If you can just make those angles, congratulations, and I sure can too, with pretty much any brush, but some things just make it easier, so I want you guys to be able to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, now I'm going to take my Younique, it's called a Deluxe brush. Not that it wants to let you guys read that. We're going to go in with the color Subtle. And I went ahead and put it on the brush already. And so I'm just going to tap. Just open my mirror back. And they're very close in color, but one is just lighter than the other. And I try to concentrate the lighter one in the center because I reserve my inner eye, although I reserve it for a lighter color. I'm reserving it currently for glitter. So this is going to go a little bit further in because I don't mind layering as well, but I just mostly concentrate it back here. And of course you want to make sure that you kind of go on top of your darker color too, and then sweep. And it's okay to grab your darker color if you put the light too far back. You just want to make it look gradual. I guess you could call that the ombre effect if you want. I don't know. Again, please don't judge my eyebrows, y'all. Rough. Alright, now go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, but as you So now I'm going to take the color Snatched here and pop it in my inner eye. This I'm actually going to use my finger for, so just, and I don't always use my finger, but I've just noticed so far because of the consistency, it's just a really good, of course it's focusing on what's behind the finger. Hold on, there we go. It's like a foil color, so pretty, right? And again, this makes it really like user-friendly for everyone that doesn't have a ton of brushes. Yeah, it's actually so much more glittery in person than it is on the camera. But alright, I'm gonna wipe my finger off and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, making the color Snatched again. I prefer my third finger as opposed to like the pointer, just because I guess it bends better when you do it. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm making things up. Alright, so I did a little bit of off-camera blending, and so now we're just gonna peel the tape back, and you have a pretty point. Now you might still think you look a little bit crazy. Of course you're gonna go dispose of these, but that is where eyeliner comes into play, and it basically seals the rest of your look. So now I'm gonna be using my most favorite eyeliner ever, Moodstruck Precision Dip and Draw Eyeliner in the color Perfect, which is black. Now this is my favorite because it's waterproof and it literally stays all day long. It's 12-hour wear, so it's got a felt tip. Not that you can see it because the camera does, there we go. Felt tip, because I'm not good with liquid liner anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera and I'm back. Okay, so maybe I adjusted my eyebrows and my eyeliner at the same time. But this is your look that you've got. And so one of the best ways to finish that up is mascara. So I'm gonna be using, it's upside down, Bad Gal Bang mascara. One of my favorites for sure. I'm just cleaning up the area, and I'm actually using the Almay Makeup Free Zone wipes. They're amazing, by the way, super thin, and they get the job done. Also, these are really good for like fine tuning if you see something that you don't like and you want to fix it in the look. This isn't a perfect look, but you know what? It's something that hopefully you guys can at least follow and give a shot. I'm just gonna get a little closer. And yes, I did pop a little glitter underneath my eyebrow. Again, they need to be waxed so terribly, so I like half-ass it. Alright. Let me see. Now you could typically pop any lip that you want in with this, but I'm going to, wow. I'm going to be using this today because it's my favorite. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette. And you can obviously see what colors I have used once. I actually have only used this thing like twice, which is sad, but you can get like this kind of scoop thing and also the brush side, and then something to mix your colors with. So. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I think this is color number 11, if I'm correct. Over here, I put it on here. I'm gonna apply that off camera and then I'm gonna show you guys the final look. Alright guys, this is my final look. Yes. So this is no flash, and I'm just gonna flip my phone flash on me. Phone flash. So as you can see, all the nice sparkle, glitter, and just a nice kind of nude lip would work, or anything. You could pop a lip gloss on with this, would be really good. Anything would really work. So let me shut my flash off. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more. So this is supposed to be just an easy look that anybody will be able to follow. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye guys.